Hello guys, in this video I want to show you the easiest way to run a Presearch node and probably the cheapest if you're not running it on your own hardware. If you're interested how to run a Flux node, you can find the link up there or down in the description. Also in the description are all the necessary links as well as the timestamps so you can skip any part of this video. Do your own research and maybe try Presearch. What is Presearch? Presearch is a decentralized search engine at presearch.org where you can earn Presearch tokens while searching. Let me demonstrate that. Currently, I have 286.35 Presearch tokens, and now if I search something, let's say Snappy Mouse Run, which is a game I made, you can find the download link in the description. And now this search brought me 0.08 Presearch tokens. How awesome is that? Yes, you get a little bit for every search, and there is a daily limit, but hey, you get free coins. Searching is not the only thing you can do. You can also run your own Presearch node, which is the Presearch backend that handles the searches, and by running a node, you also get rewarded with Presearch tokens. So where can you host a Presearch node? You can host it on your own hardware. Well, then you need the hardware. You can host it on a virtual private server, on a VPS. Then you need to rent a VPS. Or you can host a Presearch node on the Flux network, the biggest decentralized infrastructure project where you can host your own stuff for very cheap to almost nothing. And hosting a Presearch node on the Flux network is just easy, straightforward, no command line, no Docker files, just a few button clicks, a bit copy pasting, and that's it. And that's what I will show you in this video, but there are a few things that I will just assume. The first is that you already installed the Zelcore wallet. You can find the download link in the description, and that you already have some Flux in your wallet. The second thing that I will assume is that you already have the needed amount of Presearch tokens to start a Presearch node. You can have the Presearch tokens on a Zelcore wallet, you can have them in some other wallet, or even on the exchange. For this tutorial, it doesn't matter. What matters is that you already have the 2000 Presearch tokens that are needed. If you don't know how to get Presearch tokens or how to get Flux, you can find the link to the KuCoin exchange down in the description. Now with that out of the way, let's get over to my Zelcore wallet. So here I am inside my Zelcore wallet, inside my payments wallet. Here are my Presearch tokens, and when I click in there, here you can see I have over 2000 Presearch tokens. That's enough to run a Presearch node. Go back. Now let's check Flux. As you can see, I have 17 Flux in there, which should be more than enough to run a Presearch node for a year or so. So that's also okay. Let's go back to the wallet. Now that we have the coins, let's go back to the Presearch website, presearch.org. Here, make sure you're logged in with your account. If you don't have an account, create one and log in. And then go to this hamburger menu and go to Nodes. Then again, hamburger menu and Dashboard. Nodes Dashboard, that's what we want. It's also under nodes.presearch.org/dashboard. And in here, as you can see, I don't have any Presearch tokens available to stake. So first thing we need to do, we need to transfer some Presearch tokens. So go to Transfer Pre. I have Presearch tokens in the Zelcore wallet. So let's go from blockchain and request deposit address. All right, this is the address where I need to transfer my Presearch tokens. So copy the address down here. Copy. Now let's go back to the Zelcore wallet. Go to Presearch. And now to send. Enter your PIN. Now here you need to paste the address. Just right click to paste. And we want to transfer 2000 Presearch tokens. When you are sending Presearch tokens from your Zelcore wallet, like I'm doing right now, you also need to pay some gas fees. And you need to pay them in Ethereum. And that also means that you need to have some Ethereum in your Zelcore wallet, as it is stated down here. If you don't want to buy Ethereum from an exchange, there is also a very useful feature inside the Zelcore wallet that allows you to swap some other tokens and coins for Ethereum, which is just phenomenal. I just love it. I can only recommend the Zelcore wallet. It has a ton of useful features. In my case, I have Ethereum. I also want to lower the gas fees, so I will set this one to economy. The gas fees should be a bit lower now. And send. Yes. Transaction sent. We can close this now. I will go back to my wallet. Now if you look at the browser, we can close this one. And now when the transaction is done, we should see our Presearch tokens here. Now after a few minutes, here they are, 2000 pre-tokens. We have the needed amount to run the node. Let's go to the Flux dashboard. Home runonflux.io. Here we need to log in with the Zelcore wallet. If you're on Windows and you have the Zelcore wallet installed, then you just need to click on this Zel ID icon here. And now open. And just enter your PIN and sign and send. Alright, close. Back to the browser. Now we're logged in, and if you still see the message here that you need to log in, then try to refresh the browser and try to log in again. Sometimes you need to try it a few times. I hope this will be fixed in the future. Now let's go to Apps, Marketplace, and here under all categories, we want to run the Presearch node. And here you can see the hardware that we will get, and also this will cost us 1 Flux a month. And this is, in my opinion, the cheapest that you can get. A VPS for under $2 a month. I don't think you can beat this. So we will take this one, click on it. Here we need to enter the registration code. Let's get back to the nodes dashboard. And now here it is. Just copy it back to Flux dashboard and paste it in. Here you can check additional details, but for this app it isn't really necessary. And we will go directly to start. Now we will need to pay with Flux. So let's go to next. Again, if you're on Windows, you just need to click on this Zel ID and open. This is the message that we need to sign. Just add your PIN and sign and send. That's it. Close. Back to the browser. It already filled in everything. Go to next. So we need to pay 1 Flux per month. Let's click on Register Flux app. Alright, hash received. Next. And here we need to pay. Pay with Zelcore. Open. Proceed to pay. Now enter your PIN to verify. And now everything should be pre-filled for you. And if this doesn't show up, then try to open Flux in your Zelcore wallet and try to pay again. You should get this one. Send, and yes, send. Alright, done. Back to the browser. Finish. And yes, we are done here. Now let's go to the nodes dashboard. And now you need to wait for about an hour. Then you should see your new nodes down here. Well, this took only 10 minutes and now I've got not 1, but 2 nodes, which is awesome. Now let's configure one of those. Click on the pencil here. I want to stake 2000 Presearch tokens, which is the minimum. I will call this one pre-node 1. Send email on disconnect, send email on reconnect, and update. Node updated. Let's go back. And now as you can see, I don't have any Presearch available to stake, and 2000 Presearch is already staked. That's also visible down there at the node. Now if I had another 2000 Presearch tokens, I could also configure the second one, but since I don't have it, the second one will not earn me anything, but the first one will. And that's how you run a Presearch node. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you liked the video, if you like my content, then please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when I release new videos. It means a lot to me, it makes the channel grow. So thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.